I think I know what this is. I hope so. There it is. It's the DJI Mini 2 drone. I'm very excited. Now, I know I'm a little late to the party. This is not something that is brand new. Well, it's brand new for me, but it's not just released or anything like that. But I am a beginner drone pilot. This is a big step up for me. All right, let's see what's in the box here. I'm not even sure how to open it. Gah. Fell out of the box. Okay, here's the drone. Manual. Like throwing stuff everywhere. Propellers. Battery. That's so light. All right, this is the controller. And of course the silica gel. Don't eat this, kids. All right, why am I just sitting here when I should be out flying my drone, right? I just got it. I'm excited about it. I really am. But I'm also a little nervous about flying it. In fact, I'm a lot nervous. See, the problem is, the only experience I have with a drone ever was a couple of years ago. My kids had these little tiny drones. They were about that big. And you just push the joystick, it goes straight up, and then it either crashes into the ceiling because you decided to fly it in the house, or it lands in a tree, you break a propeller, it disappears, and you're done. You know, it's disposable. And the DJI Mini 2 is $500 or almost, and I'm really, really worried that I am going to lose it. So I've been doing my homework, and you know that manual that I pulled out of the box? I was all excited that there was a paper manual, really thick little booklet. It's really just a single page of safety instructions in about 500 different languages. So not a manual. I went online, looking at the how-to videos that DJI has, and looking at some YouTube trips. And looking at YouTube tips and tricks and things like that. So I'm doing my homework and hoping I don't screw it up. I will say though that I did charge it up last night, and I did power it up in the living room. I did not fly it in the living room, but I even activated the camera just to see what it looked like. I even picked up the drone and kind of flew it around making zoom noises in the living room, and my wife was looking at me like I'm a complete nut job, which is probably true. So I'm nervous. I've decided though that tomorrow morning, bright and early, my son and I are gonna get up, take the drone, go to the park, and hopefully not crash it into a tree. Oh, hi. But I'm still really nervous about it, and I think I better go watch some more how-to videos. I'm used to getting up this early on a weekday, but on a Sunday voluntarily, it's unheard of. In fact, Finn said he was gonna wake me up at 6:30, and it looks like I'm gonna have to wake him up. Hey, Finn, it's time to get up. 6:30. Okay. Man, we got a gorgeous sunrise. Good morning. I couldn't sleep last night. Part of it was the espresso I had at Uncle Paul's house, but also I'm kind of excited. So we got to figure out where we're going to do this here. Ideally, not on the grass, but with a lot of open space. I mean, we can do it on the grass if we have to.
Wow, this is dog paradise.
Yeah, what if we go over to the basketball court?
No, right?
Okay, let's do that. So we've decided not to launch it in the middle of the grass because we don't want to be turning it into a lawnmower as it takes off. So we're gonna.
Hey, we can be courteous, Dad.
We're gonna use the basketball courts instead. It's near the tennis fence, but I think that'll be fine because when it comes down, it'll just come straight down when we hit that return to home button. It's got a return to home button.
Yeah, I know.
It's got GPS.
I know.
It's got a camera. It's got features. It's too early. Hey, look, here's our little drone target circle right here, right on the basketball courts. So hopefully this wall for the tennis courts here won't be a problem. All right, this is my improvised case for the drone here.
Did it not come with an actual case?
No, I could have spent more money and gotten the bundle, but I did not.
Do you remember to charge the drone?
Yes, I charged the drone.
That was a very short setup.
All right. Yeah, that's an easy setup. What am I forgetting?
180. And next you turn on the drone.
No, here's what you do. You push it once and then you push and hold so that the buttons light up. Hold it. Okay, it's on. Set it down. It's making funny noises.
Wait, the camera itself is a gimbal.
The camera has a gimbal. Mission complete.
Yeah.
We did it. That was fun.
And now I get to go on the swings.
Okay, you get to go on the swings. How old are you?